Brought to you by JEGS.
Hi, I'm Joel with LEED Brakes, and this is our power brake booster kit for 1964.5 to 66 Ford Mustangs with automatic transmissions. It's part number FC0002HK. This kit will also fit manual transmission cars using an aftermarket cable style clutch. You'll see that we've pre-installed and pre-adjusted the push rod to help make installation easy. Now let's take a closer look at the components of this kit. You'll find the installation instructions. You'll also receive a 7-inch single diaphragm power booster, a 1-inch dual master cylinder, the adjustable combo valve block, which allows you to fine-tune brake pressure at your rear brakes, and lastly, all the brake lines, fittings, and hardware needed for an easy installation.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.